So to remove rust from the gas tank, first things you want to do is probably pick up 1 to 2 gallons of vinegar, maybe extra if you need it, if you want to do once or twice. And so maybe 1 or 2 gallons for one wash and maybe another 1 or 2 gallons for a second wash. And then in addition to that, you want to maybe pick up 1 or 2 gallons of distilled water so that you can mix some baking soda, um, following up the acid wash with a base wash to neutralize it and prevent any further buildup or corrosion. So the first step is to remove the gas tank cap, remove any gasoline inside initially. Um, I've already had the gas tank soaking in vinegar for about a day, but 1 to 3 hours is just fine, as long as you kind of shake it around and agitate the vinegar so that it kind of build breaks down the rust buildup on the inside of the gas tank. Um, I'm pouring the fluid out here. It went in as a clear liquid. Now it's coming out with pretty dark brownish color, which is all that discoloration and debris from the inside the tank. The gas tank's history is probably that the bike was left parked outside for a couple years, maybe at least 5 years or so, and the owner was just ready to let the bike go. So this is one of the first steps I took to rebuild the motorcycle, was to try to get a fresh start as possible. And this is a second bottle here of the vinegar. It You can just use regular white vinegar, and then using that you can kind of see how much buildup and grime is removed when pouring it back out. Getting a couple bottles really um, helps dispose of the liquid easier. Just comparing the buildup on the inside, there's uh, pretty large flakes of rust from the tank. Taking a quick look on the inside would really show how much was removed. Here's a bottle of distilled water. Just adding a little bit of baking soda. Once you add the baking soda, just put it in and kind of rinse it. A quick rinse, shake it around, and dispose of that water. After you've kind of removed the baking soda wash, then go ahead and try to fill up with either an oil, to like a WD-40 with a flexible nozzle to spray the inside of the gas tank and line it with a little bit of oil to prevent further rust buildup, or just fill it up with gasoline will do.